In Asia, we see the big cities like Singapore growing at a very fast rate. Space is a bigger issue than in Europe. We cannot always have the luxury of having a room for every function. These rooms are 25 to 35 square meters. In Europe, it's very common to have separate the bedroom, the living room, the dining room, the kitchen. But when it comes to small size apartments, you cannot have big bathrooms anymore. Sliding doors and sliding walls helps to create flexibility in the space. I can make a kitchen disappear, or I can simply divide a room just by adding few sliding elements of Hawa. Hawa has been started in 1965 in Switzerland. The company has always focused on only one thing, to do sliding hardware. We focus strongly on the quality of our product, and we take the best properties of these materials for different parts of our system. We had a family here who wanted to buy the apartment, and they saw these big doors and they asked, "Oh, but is this heavy? Is this easy to use?" And they had a daughter there, 4 to 5 years old, and he said, "It's very simple, even your daughter can open and close." Our sliding doors are tested to 100,000 cycles, which is equivalent to 25 years of lifespan. This appeals to hotels and hospitals where the doors are used every day by new guests. Hawa, over the course of the years, transformed the sliding door from a purely functional element to include elements of beauty and elegance. A space of 30-40 square meters can be compared to a space of 90 to 100 square meters. The value that the developer can offer to his customer is double or triple per square meter. We really believe that the function and the design can be coupled with comfort and ease of use. And this function will remain for the next 30 to 40 years without any problem.